第50页，新闻英语。科学家致力打造水下生物声音图书馆。
GLUBS, a sound library of the sea. Most people know about the friendly squeaks of dolphins and the somber songs of humpback whales. But what about the hundreds of thousands of other creatures that live in the sea? Scientists estimate that over 100 types of marine mammals, as well as 1,000 different fish species, emit sounds. Additionally, many sea creatures produce passive sounds while eating, swimming, or crawling along the sea floor. A group of international scientists is now joining forces to create a library of all the unique sounds that animals living under the sea make. The Global Library of Underwater Biological Sounds, or GLUBS, will be an open-source collection of the signature sounds created by sea creatures. The team will use existing libraries of sea sounds and expand upon these to create a more comprehensive collection. The platform will also include AI algorithms that can detect and classify different sounds, which will allow scientists to produce species distribution maps. When asked about the motivation for this project, Miles Parsons, one of the project's leaders, pointed to the worldwide decline in biodiversity. By examining the sounds coming from bodies of water, scientists can monitor the changes in the distribution and diversity of various ecosystems. Studying the sounds could also be used to identify new species. Parsons explained that many of the world's most extensive habitats are aquatic. GLUBS could be a great resource in helping preserve water species around the world.